There are different flavors of cake out there, and I know you are definitely used to eating vanilla cake each and every single time. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut cake, which is going to turn out very soft and fluffy with a very nice coconut flavor, which I absolutely love. And topping up with some more shredded coconut, which is going to make the cake absolutely amazing. To make this very flavorful cake, you're going to need a few ingredients, which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. So you're going to start off by prepping up your tin, and I'm going to be using a muddy tin, and this is how it looks like. So when using this tin, you need to oil and dust with some all-purpose flour so that it can be easier for you to invert the cake. So I'm going to pick my spray, spray my tin, making sure the middle part is also well sprayed. Then I'm going to pick some all-purpose flour, add in the tin, add in a little bit more. Don't forget the middle part. Ready for my batter. Next, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, ready to bake. And into your mixing bowl, you're going to add in 1 cup of margarine. You can also use softened butter. Then I'm going to whip up for around a minute until the butter is very light and soft. When ready, you're going to add in 1 cup of granulated sugar. Use your spatula and mix until it's fully combined with the margarine. Crack in 3 eggs. Over high speed, you're going to whip up your eggs for around 2 minutes until the butter is very light and fluffy. When the butter is ready, this is how it should be looking like, and as you can see, it's very light. Next, you're going to be adding in some salt to balance out the sweetness of the sugar. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon. Then next, I'm going to add in some vanilla essence, which is going to add in a very nice flavor to the cake. Mix the salt and vanilla essence into the batter. Next, I'm going to add in some shredded coconut. And the shredded coconut is going to add in a very nice coconut flavor to the cake. You can also use some coconut essence to make the cake. Once done mixing, I'm going to be alternating, adding in my self-raising flour together with milk. So I'll add in half. And at this point, you don't need a mixer. All you need is a spatula because you don't want to overmix the batter. Add in a little bit milk. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are getting fully combined. And then I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. When the batter is ready, you're going to transfer to your prepped up tin carefully. Once done, you're going to tap your tin on your countertop 2 times. This is to release the excess air pockets in the batter. Then you're going to be baking your coconut cake for 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. It's been 50 minutes and my coconut cake is ready. And I'm super excited because I love when a cake is baking. The kitchen is always smelling incredible. To check if the cake is ready, you're going to insert a skewer, and once you notice that the skewer doesn't have any wet butter, the cake is well baked. Cool the cake for 10 minutes so that you can invert. After inverting the cake, you'll notice that I have some crust which is stuck to the tin. No worries, the cake is just perfect. So I'm going to be cooling the cake for around 30 minutes to 1 hour, or until it's completely cool. Then we are going to be frosting with a little bit of icing. Finally, my cake is completely cooled, so I'm going to be making a very simple frosting, and I have 1 cup of icing sugar or powdered sugar, and I have some milk and my shredded coconut. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of milk at a time and stir in. You'll notice that the icing sugar gets absorbed into the milk very fast. So after adding in 2 tablespoons of milk, this is the consistency I have. Make sure the icing is nice and smooth. Then you're going to pour on your coconut cake, and this is going to add in a little bit of sweetness, and also it's going to make the cake look amazing. Immediately you're going to spread some shredded coconut on the icing, and this is going to add in lots of texture to the top part of the cake, and also add in lots of coconut flavor to the cake. And once done, I absolutely love how the cake is looking. So I'm going to be refrigerating for around 5 minutes in the fridge so that the icing can set. When the icing is set, the cake is going to be looking so gorgeous. So I'm going to slice into my cake to check out how the interior is looking. Carefully lift up my cake, and this is how the inside is looking. I love the crumb texture, and also I love the gorgeous golden brown color, which makes this recipe worth trying. The first bite is going to be filled with a very nice coconut flavor, plus the shredded coconut that we have placed on top together with the icing sugar is going to make each bite so delicious. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.